Tired of PayPal putting your client payments on hold? Those freezes can stall your business overnight. PayPal makes it clear. They can put a reserve on your account and hold funds at any time, often for broad reasons that feel outside your control. That means your cash flow isn't really yours. You are operating on their timeline. EasyPay Direct solves this by underwriting your account upfront, so you know you are approved before payments start flowing. And with features like transaction routing and recurring billing, your revenue keeps moving without interruption. Plus, their white glove service means you always have a dedicated contact to step in if you need support. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out if you're ready to accept client payments without worrying about PayPal freezes. Getting started is simple. Just click the link in the description and fill out the short form to set up a stable, reliable payment account for your business.